I now declare that nomination day will be Monday, August 18th. And the general election date is fixed at Wednesday, September 3.
Well, on the hear what the man say, the election set September 3rd. So people, the man sound confident. Make me know what I think about Andrew Holness and listen exactly what I'm going to say. Make me know what you think. Comment down below. PNP, what you say? JLP, what you say? Make you see what I go on now. Alright, big voice.
Whatever little I made in life, I made it just like you. I buy 2 taxi, then I open a taxi company, and I go through the struggles just like everybody else. I want to thank those who thought that by releasing documents that they would somehow diminish me. I am a true Jamaican. I went through the Jamaican struggles, and I never made any money on the backs of the Jamaican people. I never made any money off of government. When it was proposed to increase my salary, they go around and tell lie. A man in a bar I say, oh, me make $28 million. I say, really? You never realize that I didn't take any salary increase. My salary today is about $9 million. That's what average salary. The other man who claim him a tapanaris, who claim him not need no money from government, him take it.
Man, so remember, comment down below, like, share, and click follow. Big up.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.